Come on, it's ready.
Wow! That's for you!
Oh my goodness, Rico.
It's your tricycle!
Oh, thank you. You got a sticker on my hand? First things first, right? Gracias.
That was for you! Wow!
Oh my goodness. ¿Dónde vas, Rico? ¿Dónde vas?
There you go! Wow, it's perfect!
It's perfect.
Look at you, cool guy! Clear the area, everybody! Remmy's coming through!
Come back, Remy.
Here he comes!
Woo.
Yay!
Wow.
Going in circles. Cool! Crash!
What do you think, Juliet?
Juliet, what do you think? What do you think of the new tricycle? What do you think of the new tricycle? We like it.
You like it?
like
You
it.
like it, little girl? You got my eye on it, Remy.
Hurry up and grow out of it so I can have a turn.
Is that you? Is that what you want? You want a turn?
Here he comes. Hey!
Whoa!
Hey, cool guy.
Peeling out.
Wow.
Man, he's steering that thing like a champ.
Yeah.
He's been doing it his whole life.
That's awesome, huh? Crash.
Oh.
You gotta watch where you're going.
He loves it. He loves it. Should we show him the bell? Sure. We can't ever unshow him.
I'm sure.
Can you hold that for me? We can always cut it if it's too long. Oh, your finger's over the thing. Remy, come here.
Mira, ven. Una campanita.
Si la clavas aquí. Beep, beep.
Yeah, you like the bell? Ding ding. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Remy. Bye-bye, Remy. Bye.